Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene and I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I love to share beauty products and whatnot, so that's one of the things I have today. So I've been wanting to try, I have used a lot of Glow Recipe products and I really like them, so I was curious to try more. So today I'm sharing some couple of kits I got from them. So anyway, let's get started. Okay, all right friends, thanks for being here. I really appreciate your support so much. I love visiting with you anyway, and I would love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, do those things that support my channel if you wish. And thank you to those who already have. So let's get started with our Glow Recipe. All right, so here we go. I've got two. These are called Make Your Own Glow Kit. And it's great for if you want to just try out products and not want to spend full price on the bigger ones. At least try out and see the ones you like. So that's kind of why I did this. These are Make Your Own Glow Kit and they're $29. You get 3 items in it. Glow Recipe is a pricey brand. So, you know, if you can get these for, you know, anyway, $29 actually was a good deal, even though they're small sample, kind of deluxe and sample size products, whatever. But anyway, so let's get to it. Let me share what I got. So they did send me a couple of samples. This first one is Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. I'm really curious about this. I'm excited to use it. So I actually have dark spots and not necessarily in other places other than my face that I'd like to work on. A couple on my face, but and then this other one, this other sample is Watermelon Glow AHA Night Treatment. So it's another one I don't have. So I'll try these two. They're just samples. They put, you know, enough for 1 or 2. I don't know. There's kind of a bit in there. So you probably don't use much. So you might be able to get like 3 uses out of this or whatever. So there's those. Now Make Your Own Glow Kit. I'm not sure which is which here. Okay, I think I'm going to start with this one here. And so that comes in a little bag. They're nothing great, but they say Glow Recipe on them. So there's that. So the first thing you get the small version, 1 small version and two deluxe samples. So this is the mini, it's a plump hyaluronic cream, and let's see, something I haven't tried yet. So I should have put down here what these are good for and what they do. Anyway, I didn't do that, but there's that. So I'm kind of excited to use this. I'm not sure if, yeah, this is just a plump cream. Smells, their products all smell good, but they're just real faint. Really just kind of fresh, and anyway. So feels good on the skin. So I'm excited. I'm excited to use this. And so that's the first one I got in here. The other 2 deluxe samples are the plump which one is which here? Yeah, this is the plump hyaluronic serum deluxe. So it's just a serum, kind of, it's good to use with the plump cream. I don't know if you can see that little dot there. Okay, definitely has a smell. I really like the smells of these. They're I don't know, there's just something about them. And then the third thing I got in here is a Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blur Drops. So I'm curious about that. Just comes with a little pump. So those are the 3 items I got with the first bag. So there's that. And then the next one I have is a green bag here, and the main item, the main mini product or whatever, is Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. Now I'm wondering if I've used these before. I don't know. I just did buy another. I used the hyaluronic. I haven't used this one, but I've used the hyaluronic serum. This one is Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. So kind of curious to try this. This is a little bit bigger version than the deluxe. So again, it's just a little pink dot right here. Anyway, they all kind of smell the same. Look at my hand though. Look at the finish there. So I like it. I like it. All right. So the next two on here are this. So this is Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. So actually this is it the same? I think this might be the same. So I guess I did that. You can pick whichever products you want, but so now I have a mini version and a bigger version of that. So no. This is Dewdrops. This is Glow Drops. So I don't know the difference in them, but they are different products. So I thought they were. So anyway, there's that. And then the third item in this bag is the pomegranate peptide firming serum. So I'm really interested in this. So we'll see how that works. I wonder if it's any darker. It looks about the same, just a little. They all smell kind of the same. I don't know if this is supposed to smell pomegranate, but I love the feel on my hand just from putting these products on my hand. It's like, whoa, just feels good. So anyway, I'm happy with this. If you're someone who wants to try out the Watermelon Glow, the Glow Recipe products, then I think this is a good way to do it. So anyway, just these make your own kits. You can pick whatever products. They have several to choose from. So this is my second kit. Love it. I'm happy with it. So there's that. So we're happy with our Glow Recipe. I'll let you know how I like it, but I just wanted to share this. I thought it was kind of fun, a fun way to try out their products. So that's it. This is a short video. I had fun getting that, and let me know what you think. Do you use Glow Recipe, and do you have a favorite product? Let me know. So I think it's the Hyaluronic Plump that I have, the round bottle. Anyway, I've used that and I love it. I should have brought it in here, but I actually am almost out of it, so I did just buy another one of those. I got it from another site, but anyway, I did want to mention I'm in my Valentine dress. I just shared a Valentine Temu video with some adorable stuff. Look at this purse. How cute is that? So that's just one of the things, but I got a lot of fun stuff, Valentine-y things. I love this dress. It's a little bit big, but I'm really happy with it. It's kind of cheesy, but anyway, so that's why I'm in this dress. I just filmed the Valentine video, and I'm looking forward to Valentine's Day too. So thank you for being here. I appreciate your support, and I will see you all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.